Look at your toothpaste, sir. Oh, no. They're very brown, eh?
What?
Yeah, minging.
Oh, good for goons on me.
Open your mouth. What a whack it in.
Go on.
Come in here, let's do a consultation.
Yeah, so I've come because I've got a chip in me too.
What you need, mate, is one of these ones. If I just pull this one out, there you go. Open your mouth. What a whack it in.
Go on, put it forward.
100 quid.
Oh, that's it, I'm done. Thanks.
Can you pay cash, please?
Was that it?
The pink mirror never lies.
Oh, it's lovely.
Amazing.
That's beautiful, that.
In Turkey, they would say chof gazelle. Very beautiful.
What's the closest match to me? Come on,
I would say 1 and 1, which is the second one in. Second. Oh, no. They're very brown, eh?
What? That wasn't bad of the.
Well, David, sir,
what are they?
they're very brown, your teeth. That one there. That one, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What was it?
BL4.
You see?
That would be your most natural colour. Mine is
So I think they're about colour, really, have they?
Not mine. I don't
And there's one tooth that's floating about here. I'll tell you what colour your teeth is. Jeez, I would say you are. Because you've got a few different colours going on there, but I think. Hang on a minute, I'm just. See, some of them are BL4, some of them are C1. What do you think? You have a look.
To be honest, I think they're that there, B1, most of them.
You mean BL4?
Yeah, is it BL4?
That's what I said,
can't
yeah.
see, I'm blind.
Oh, good for goons on me.
How many people have had their mouth around that fag?
Loads in there.
If you see me posting from Turkey in 2026, just know it's not magic. It's my eSIM doing all the work. No hunting for shops, no dodgy roaming fees, no chaos, just instant data and pure adventure. Get one before you fly. Trust me, you won't regret it.